Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you're very, very well. Now, if you're anything like me, before I started making consistent money online, I was desperate just to get something that worked, something that maybe got me a bit of money that I could then do the same and more, so I could scale it up. You know, if you find something that works, then it makes sense, doesn't it, that you just do more of that thing that works and you make more money. And of course, these days we've got AI, which makes it so much easier for us marketers to put together incredible promotions and earn affiliate commissions. But there's always a few stumbling blocks for newbies. The first thing is getting approved to promote a product. Yeah, all right, on ClickBank you can go and get instant approval. But if you want to move into the kind of make money online niche, for example, and get approved for products on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, then that's often a very, very big issue. And I've seen it time and time again. People can't get started because they've got no track record, because they can't get approved, and therefore because they can't get approved, they can't get a track record. Well, that's where everything changes today with this new launch from my good friend Max and Tom E. They've got together and they've put together a real solution. All right, now this absolutely works.
Through the Affiliate Whisperer, I actually made my first $10, and from a few hours later, I had $65 in my Warrior Plus account. Man, that was just, you know what, man, I almost brought a tear to my eye, man, because I tried so hard at this and had never made $1.
Beta testers made money the same day that they tried this, which is pretty amazing and very, very exciting. And I'm not surprised that they did, because look at what you get with this. You don't only get guaranteed approval, you get traffic and leads as well. It's a 10-minute easy setup. You're given your own personal promo link, your affiliate link that's going to earn you commissions. You plug it into the Affiliate Whisperer, and then they send traffic to your link for you. So you sit back, enjoy the process, watch the money come in. And as I said, you're also guaranteed leads in the process. So done for you traffic, leads you keep forever, battle-tested system, proven to work, proven to convert, tested by beta testers that got sales on the first day that they tried it. No guesswork, and if you've never done anything like this before, it doesn't matter. It's completely newbie friendly. Everything, and I mean everything, is taken care of in very easy, short, easy to follow videos to get you set up and get you started and get your traffic coming out of the Affiliate Whisperer to your affiliate link so that you can start making commissions finally. So quite often what I like to do is I like to ask the creators of these programs, can you break this down for me in a nutshell? Just summarize what it is in a nutshell. And I asked Max to do that, and you'll see a copy on my sales page of the actual conversation that I'm reading here now. He says, I basically show them what I'm doing to always be on top of the leaderboards when I promote an offer. Then we guarantee leads and we give them a product with guaranteed approval. So they literally get everything they need to be successful with affiliate marketing. And that is why I thought of you, because this is the kind of thing that it's not, there's no BS here, there's no fanny, there's no old fluff, right? What we've got here is quite simple. Guaranteed approval for a high converting offer, traffic sent to that offer, and leads. You know, it's everything you need. I've said many, many times, the way that Make Money Online works is you need a high converting offer and you need real traffic pointing to that offer. That's it. If you've got a high converting offer and good traffic, that's it. That is it in a nutshell. That's how this stuff works. So everything you need is inside the Affiliate Whisperer. And of course, as always, I've got a really juicy bonus bundle for you. You'll find all the details on that below this video. And what I've done is I've outlined all of the upgrades for you so you can see exactly what's coming, because I know what it's like. Sometimes you think, yeah, well, this sounds good, Trev, but you know, what if I'm hit with an upgrade and you know, I wasn't expecting that and that kind of thing. Well, you can check out the upgrades. They're really, really cool upgrades actually. And you'll see that they'll make it a lot easier for you to make a lot more money a lot quicker, which at the end of the day is what we all need, isn't it? So go ahead, click the link below this video to go through to the sales page. Take a look at the sales video. Take a look at all the testimonials on the sales page, and you'll see that this is the real deal. And then when you go through to the checkout page, that's the page where you pay the money, where you see the price, all right? Down the bottom, right down at the very bottom of the checkout page is a little round person icon next to the words powered by Warrior Plus. You're looking for ref and then my number, it's 31584 or something like that, Trevor C. If you see Trevor C, that's me, and you will be, that's my dog barking in the background. That's me, and you'll be cookied to me, so you will get those bonuses, all right? And full details of those bonuses are below this video. And you know what? I'm going to add a few more to them as well. So take a look below and you'll see that this is a complete and utter no-brainer. So that is it, guys. In a nutshell, the Affiliate Whisperer gives you everything you need. You might as well just do this, all right? Because you get the whole thing. If you've never made a penny online before, then you need this. Guaranteed approval for a high converting offer. Traffic, leads. Beta testers are already making money. You'll make money. Go and do it, and I'll see you soon. You take care. And as always, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I am here to help. You take care. All the best.